Welcome to this video showing you what online maths tutoring is like. I am Mr Lindsey, your tutor from mathstutor.uk.com. When you click on the link to your online classroom, you confirm that your sound and video is working okay, and you'll typically see the objectives for the day's tutorial and a welcome message. The rest of this video is a series of short edited extracts from a live recording of a real tutorial to give you an idea about what it's like. My sincere thanks to Georgina for agreeing to take part. In your first tutorial, we might spend a short time exploring the features of Bramble so that you can make the most of the platform. For example, on the workbook. And if it looks like a pen, you can scribble with whatever color you chose. You happen to have chosen a red, interestingly enough, or the use of the webcam. We don't spend a lot of time in tutorials like this, only if we want to chat. Generally, we're working on the shared workbook, so we'll sort of go back to that. We might discuss any marked homework. Again, no issues, although obviously you initially wrote something down and changed your mind, and that's clearly a minus times a minus equals a plus. We would definitely learn something new. Now,
yes, well, I know that bit on the 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, yes, but the notation that you've done for 2 times 6, 2 times 3, 2 times 2 times 3.
That's just a very easy way of breaking down anything into its prime factors. So all you do is, do you want to do that more slowly?
Yes, thanks.
So you start off by thinking of the first prime number you can think of. Can you think of the first prime number you can think of?
1. No, it's not prime number. 2.
No, 2, exactly.
2.
2. Okay, does 2 go into 12?
Yes, 6 times.
Yes, so 2 times 6. Okay, so you've got one prime factor out here now. All right. Now you've got 6 left. What's your first prime factor that goes into 6?
2.
Ah, there we go. 2 times
3.
3. Right. So what's the first prime factor that goes into 3?
3.
There we are. You've now broken down this number into its prime factors. At the end of the tutorial, we would review understanding and leveling. Yeah.
Law of indices, I definitely needed some help with.
Okay. Having had the help, would you now think that you'd be more than 3, or do you still think you're a 3 on that one?
Oh no, I think I'd be able to do a really hard one now.
So you reckon you'd be a 5 now?
No, I think I'd be 4.
Now the thing about tutorials, a lot of them, is that you want to make it just right. You don't want it to be too hard, because that's just depressing. But you certainly don't want it to be too easy.
No.
Because that's just boring.
Yeah.
So getting it right, and that's a very individual thing. So different students will have a different leveling requirement. Taking this whole tutorial, is the leveling okay? Was it a bit too hard? Was it a bit too easy?
Oh, it was perfect.